Lakes are a part of our lives and they are a part of our ecosystem. Protecting the lakes and preserving that is one of our major responsibilities. Bangalore was once called as a city of lake, and now if you look around, you will find it a complete concrete jungle. Lakes are a part of our ecosystem. When you are destructing a lake, that means we are completely destroying the ecosystem. It's not just the matter of the fishes living in that or the creepers. It also is surrounded by many plants and trees, which is actually attracting many kinds of birds, and that is a part of our ecosystem. So destroying lakes or constructing over lake is not just a crime, but we are rather killing ourselves. Lakes not only collect rainwater, instead, it is actually acting as a cooling agent for various extreme climates. There are many drives these days to preserve lakes in many cities. Actually, preserving lakes should be a part of our social activities and many clubs. Now, people ask me, why am I making a video on preserving lakes? Well, let me make it very clear because this is also a part of real estate. So, how is this related to real estate? Well, this is also connected to real estate because when a city is expanding, we are growing with a lot of infrastructural growth. That could be roads, residential, the colleges, the commercial, everything. So when there is a lot of requirement for this infrastructural growth and there is scarcity of land, that is when we are actually getting into these kind of lakes. What we are doing is we are actually illegally we are occupying the space that is surrounded the lakes, or it could be even lakes as well. So when it comes to a real estate purchase, we have to always make sure that when you're buying the property, it's not just that people get tempted with whatever the builder is showcasing them. Rather, we have to check into the legalities of these properties, whether if we are occupying the FTL limits or are we in the buffer zone, etc., etc. So there are many things when you're purchasing a property. So what happens is when these builders showcase Lakeview apartment, and I know it's how pretty to have a Lakeview apartment because the view of the lake from your balcony is so tempting and mesmerizing, and that is where people go with brands. They are not even thinking whether if they are in the right purchase or not. There were days when there was around 800 lakes in Hyderabad, and right now we have only 169 lakes. I remember those days when we had learned in our social studies that it was the Nizams who brought beautification of lakes into Hyderabad. They were those kind of people with high technology in making or developing the particular cities. They had the concept of making lakes and preserving that and beautifying it. And it was those beautiful days when we had more than 800 lakes in Hyderabad. Well, even we had a time when we had lakes based upon the castes. That is, particular caste used to have particular amount of lakes and wells. And these lakes has a different attitude, and that is when you find a lake, you find many trees around that. That means it is actually preserving a lot of ecosystem within itself. And what is the conclusion? What is the climax for this? Don't you feel that it is going to be a severe condition in future? This is a place where we live in and we expect our kids to live in. Right now, this place is not even sufficient for our old parents to live. The reason being the quality of air is very bad. The pollution is too severe. People who have asthma, who have breathing issues, who have migraine, who have sinus, they are suffering a lot because of these extreme pollution levels. So going further, it is high time that we have to say no to these kind of luxury products, which is actually killing our environment, which is actually occupying our God-given lakes. Now we have to start counting on what we have and start preserving. I don't say that movements like Hydra is harmful, because in future we might actually be benefited by these kind of movements. And it is also a social responsibility of every common man to keep watching what they are buying.